So we're out in the sugar woods looking for vacuum leaks, and each main line has a ball valve on it. The way to find them: shut this ball valve for 5, 6, 7 seconds, and very slowly you put your ear up to it. That means there's a leak on that line. If you don't hear anything, there isn't a leak on that line. Let's do this one. There's a leak on that line too. So we know we've got to go up these main lines and find them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the issue on this line. That's a tooth hole from a critter. I'm gonna guess coyote, being that the line's only 3 feet off the ground in this spot. And the cure for that is electrical tape for the moment until we get a freeze up. Then I'll have to come cut that out and put a connecting splice in this main line. Darn coyotes.